than a century, Cadillac has represented American luxury, power, and innovation. And today a van headline has shocked the automotive world, Cadillac and the V-Sola. Now before we get carried away, let's be clear, this is not a car you can walk into a dealership and buy. This is about legacy, imagination, and what Cadillac is capable of when limits are removed. Cadillac is one of the very few brands in history that actually built V-Sola engines, not once but twice, back in the 1930s. At that time, while the world was struggling, Cadillac engineered something outrageous, an engine designed purely for smoothness, prestige, and dominance. Those cars were silent, effortless, and far ahead of their time. That reputation never truly disappeared. Fast forward to the modern era. In 2013, Cadillac shocked the world again with the Cadillac 16 concept. This machine wasn't built to be practical. It was built to send a message. And under the hood was a massive 6-liter V-Sola engine producing around 1000 horsepower and 1000 of torque. Numbers like that were unheard of in a luxury sedan back then, and honestly, they still are. The design was bold, muscular, and unmistakably Cadillac. A long hood, a sharp vertical headlights, an aggressive grille, and a presence that made an Bentley look conservative. Inside, it was pure American luxury, leather, metal, wood, and craftsmanship inspired by classic Cadillacs but executed with modern technology. Now here's the important part, this car never went into production. Emissions regulations, cost, and the changing direction of the auto industry stopped it. But the idea of the V-Sola never died. Every few years, rumors surface. Renderings appear. Videos go viral claiming Cadillac has revived the V-Sola. And while those headlines aren't officially true, they tell us something important: people still want this kind of access. So why doesn't Cadillac build a V-Sola today? The answer is simple: the world has changed. Emissions laws are stricter than ever. Automakers are moving toward turbocharged engines, hybrids, and full electric platforms. Cadillac itself is investing heavily in EVs like the N. From a business perspective, the V-Sola makes no sense. But from an emotional perspective, it makes perfect sense. A modern Cadillac V-Sola wouldn't be about speed alone. It would be about effortless power, silence, and authority. Imagine a flagship Cadillac that doesn't need to prove anything, it simply exists above everything else. That's what the 16 concept represented, and that's why people still talk about it today. In reality, what we're seeing now is a revival of the idea, not the engine itself. Cadillac is reviving its confidence, its bold design language, and its willingness to compete at the highest level of luxury. Cars like the prove that Cadillac still knows how to build something exclusive and special even without 16 cylinders. So when you hear Cadillac revived the V-Sola, understand the deeper meaning. It's not about cylinders. It's about ambition. It's about reminding the world that Cadillac once dared to do the impossible and could do it again if it wanted. And honestly, that's what makes this story unreal. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Cadillac's wildest dream, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Would you want to see a modern Cadillac V-Sola even if it was just a limited masterpiece? Let me know.